you guys doing? It's Hitmonlee here again. Today I'm gonna go over the axe kick. It was another kick requested by me, so let's get right into it. So in full motion, the axe kick with my right foot. It's that side. Always practice both sides though. Left side. Notice when I was doing both of those in full motion, I came back into my standard position. I'm gonna go a little bit more into that later. But okay, so let's break it down more in depth, is whatever your back foot is, and this way you get more power doing it too. You can also do it with your front leg, but I also recommend doing it with your back leg. But okay, so the first step is your right leg, on your target or your opponent. This kick is designed to go from the outside in. So which means is you're gonna go to the side of the shoulders, bring it straight down to the middle, and then hammer it down. So the first thing you want to do is, if you just want to practice, is just used to going like this. Remember, it has to be on the outside of your opponent or the bag. At that point, your foot is going to reach the max limit of its height. From there, it looks like it's going to stop for a second, but then you're going to bring it down just basically like a hammer. Alright? And that's also another thing I noticed that people don't do is with your upper body, it's going to torque back. That way it generates more momentum. Sorry. There we go. Now, as what I was saying about earlier, about how it came back in the stand position, this kick is, if your opponent's staying in front of you, the back's staying in front of you, yeah, it's easier to do it like that, or they're coming in and you time it correctly. But if you want to do it as with your combos, whatever, to hip, like Dutch, pretty much this side, now you're going to notice when I'm done, it's going to be moving forward. That's going to give me a little bit more space on my opponent too, if I'm trying to be offensive. Switch positions. Same thing with the left side. There you go. That's just a little bit more in-depth way of breaking it down. Remember to please subscribe and follow me. If you guys like more, give me any comebacks or feedbacks. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.